Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on JavaScript design patterns, specifically focusing on building real-time notification systems using the powerful observer pattern. If you've ever wanted to create a system that efficiently updates users in real time, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the core concepts behind the observer pattern, but also how to implement it practically to build robust notification systems. This knowledge is crucial for any developer looking to enhance their application's responsiveness and user experience. Imagine a stock trading app where users receive instant updates on stock prices. This is the power of the observer pattern in action. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of software development. Let's dive into the theory behind the observer pattern. Think of it as a newspaper subscription service. The newspaper company is the subject, and the subscribers are the observers. Whenever there's a new edition, the company notifies its subscribers. This pattern is essential in software for managing dependencies and ensuring that changes in one part of the system automatically propagate to others. In JavaScript, this is particularly useful for creating dynamic applications where parts of your UI need to update in response to data changes. By decoupling the objects, the observer pattern allows for a flexible and scalable architecture, making it a cornerstone of modern software design. Now let's look at a code example to solidify our understanding. We'll focus on the implementation of the stock subject class. This class acts as our subject in the observer pattern. It maintains a list of observers and notifies them whenever the stock price changes. Here's how it works. When a new observer subscribes, it's added to the list. When the stock price updates, each observer in the list is notified with the new data. This simple yet powerful mechanism ensures that all observers receive the latest updates in real time. Let's take a closer look at the code. Let's see the observer pattern in action. Imagine you're using a real-time stock notification system. As the application starts, you see the main title displayed, indicating that the system is live. The current stock price is shown, updating periodically as new data comes in. You observe the stock price changing in real time, demonstrating how the observer pattern efficiently handles updates. Over time, you notice multiple updates, each reflecting the latest stock price, ensuring you're always informed. This real-time interaction showcases the observer pattern's capability in creating responsive and interactive applications. In conclusion, the observer pattern is an invaluable tool for building real-time notification systems. By understanding and implementing this pattern, you can create applications that are not only responsive, but also highly scalable and user-friendly. You've seen how this pattern can be applied in a real-world scenario, ensuring timely updates and enhancing user experience. As you continue your journey in software development, mastering design patterns like the observer pattern will significantly accelerate your learning and application skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that provide clear, real-world examples to enhance your development prowess. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.